Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're quite well, and I'm really sorry because I'm busy last some days, then I can't upload any new video for data. So here is logo generator. The file size is 1.70 GB, and here is 12 folder. Simply you can generate your own logo. You can create your own logo. Here is marble head in line art style, PSD, PNG, JPG, APS, AI file. You see the marble head in. Here is hand draw. Okay, in 6 different format. Wow. PNG is here, working on it. Sorry, the file size is high. Okay, and you see here, sorry for call, back, and geometric frames. You can import your own text or title here. Are simple, very simple. SVG, PNG, JPG, EPS, AI file. Here is geometric shape. Here is illustration of crystals, PNG. Wow. Graphics element. Depend your own choice. You can make a logo in natural or for galaxy etc. Abstract shape. Here is 6 different format JPG. Okay, you can change color, and last is font. Crystal in line. Okay, and I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.